wait till the end to see what is my favorite product, whose dupe is it, and what does it cost. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, I'm Kimsey, who's going to be your beauty bestie, who's always going to keep it real with all the skincare and makeup. So today we are starting with something really exciting, which is going to be my honest review series. And there are no filters, there are no drama, it's just pure thoughts, how I thought the products did turn out for me. I've got a bunch of moisturizers here, from hidden gems to hyped ones. So we are rating them all, and some might really shock you. So please watch till the end. So the first moisturizer we are going to review is this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. This is the packaging, and the packaging is absolutely premium, and it retails for $11.50 for just 50 grams. So it does come on an expensive end. So I have a combination skin and I have been trying this for a while. The brand claims it for dry and extra dry skin, and it claims that they give you 9x hydration. So let's try it with some application. So let's take it here and let's try it. So it's actually very cooling. It's actually non-sticky, and the smell is not overpowering. It's completely soothing and it's perfect for day to day. So I would always recommend this. This is one of my favorite buys and nothing can beat this for me. So for me, it's 10 on 10. So understand why hyaluronic acid is a very integral part of the skincare. Because we obviously go out a lot, there is a lot of textures on our skin. Hyaluronic acid helps you retain the moisture of your skin, and it also improves the hydration of your skin by reducing wrinkles, by reducing the fine lines, and it also helps you enhance the texture of your skin. Would I repurchase this product? Absolutely yes. It's one of my favorite buys. I'll absolutely buy it again, and it's such a soothing product. I know it's on an expensive side, but I would rebuy it always. So the second moisturizer that we are going to review is from one of my favorite brands. I use their brand very frequently. I have a lot of products from this brand, and this is Foxtail Oil-Free Moisturizer, and this retails for $3.95, and I think for that rate the packaging is absolutely perfect. And it also has marine algae, it has hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So this is how the product looks like. So for the first time, Foxtail did disappoint me with this product. Let's see this application first. So this is how the gel looks, and let's try and apply this. So for me, the gel is super heavy. It's not at all lightweight, and for me it's extremely sticky. A lot of times this happened that my eyes actually got stuck to my upper lid, which is very irritating. It does have a very strong smell. So for me, maybe this product didn't fit me right. Maybe a lot of few people think otherwise, but this is my personal opinion. I wouldn't recommend this product at all. For me, this is a no-no. And also a lot of times my skin did feel red. It actually felt very irritating, and especially this whole section felt very burning to me. That is why I'm never going to buy this product again. Sorry Foxtail, this time you really disappointed me. I would not repurchase this product ever again. For me, it's a 0 on 10. Not for me. But there was another tip hidden in the Foxtail product, which was niacinamide. So again, why niacinamide is really important for your skin? It does play a very important role again because it tightens your pores. It actually reduces your hyperpigmentation. It brightens your skin. It improves the skin texture, and it also helps you tighten your skin. So again, including both hyaluronic acid and niacinamide in your skincare routine is going to be a very, very superfood for your skin. The next moisturizer that we are reviewing is on a higher end. it does belong to the Korean skincare line. So this one is Face Shop Triceramide. This retails for 1040 for just this teeny tiny bottle, but obviously it's worth the hype. This is how its packaging looks. It again has a very premium packaging. So let's review this. So the smell of this product is extremely subtle. It's extremely soothing. Now let's try it on. Let's take a bit of it and so again, it's lightweight. It does help you give that glass skin that Korean brands do guarantee you. So it's one of the best daycare creams that I've ever tried, and it's usually for your dry and flaky skin. And it does have rice extract that over the period of time might start giving you glassy skin. Though I have not been using it for that long, but I could see big changes in my skin after using it. So maybe I can give you a thorough review after a while. But for right now, because I've been using it for a few weeks already, this product is a must try. So it is actually packed with rice extracts, nanoceramide water. So now let's talk about what ceramide is. So actually ceramide helps you to create that shield on your face, which helps you prevent the moisture loss, and it actually prevents you from early signs of aging, which this cream again claims that it can do that. And again, it helps you from all the environmental damages. So I think again, adding ceramide in one of your skincare routine, be it a day or a night, is actually very good for your skin. So it's a must try, and it also help you keep your skin cell health good. So I think these three things, which were hyaluronic acid, niacinamide and ceramide, can be used in one form or another in one of your creams, toners, or maybe your serums to keep your skin healthier. So let's rate the product now. So for me, this Triceramide one is a 10 on 10, but would I repurchase it? Maybe, not sure, because what I've seen is a lot of Korean brands do guarantee you glass skin, but I don't think, being an Indian brown girl, a glass skin is what we might get from all these products. So I'm not really sure whether I'll be buying it again or not, but for now, since I'm using it, this product is going to be a 10 on 10 for me. This next moisturizer is actually a comeback for Foxtail. So this is a Foxtail skin repair cream, and like my last video that I made on everyday beginners makeup in budget, so I did use this cream. This is a 345 rupees cream, and this is what the packaging looks like. This is an absolutely good packaging. I love this product. This is for sensitive skin. It has olive leaf extract, pro vitamin B5, and it has niacinamide. I have been using this for a while. Now let's try its application. So let's take a bit of a cream and apply it. So it's again very lightweight. Though it is cream based, it's extremely lightweight, and it's very good for your damaged and sensitive skin. So it also helps you from your water loss from your skin, and it also helps you to keep your transepidermal tissue in good health. So I would completely recommend this product. I have been using it, and as you can see, the bottle is empty. So again, I would completely recommend this product. So for me, this Foxtail has done it again. I would 100% repurchase it, and for me it's a 10 on 10 product. For budget, perfect buy. This moisturizer we are going to review is actually top on the list for me. All the products that I've reviewed is good, but the last one is just wow. So at one point I started using Pond's hyaluronic acid super light oil free moisturizer, which used to retail for approx 436 rupees. But one day I was just buying it from Blinkit again, and they were out of stock. So I was actually recommended a dupe, which was this Joy Hydra Fresh. Okay, wow, what a product. So I found this like a complete dupe of that product, though it is $2.99 at any retail, but I usually get it for like 180, 190 rupees. And this is their packaging, this is the quantity, it's 150 ml, and my god, this product. So this is super affordable. It's again lightweight. Let's try on with the application. So this is the gel. So let's take it. Ooh, baba. So this is super light. This smells very refreshing, and this is not at all sticky. I find it perfect for day to day. I don't think this price can get you anything better than this. So it also has hyaluronic acid. It does give you a cooling effect. I cannot expect anything more than this. This is what I expect of this price. In fact, it is better than what I expect of the price. How much would I rate it? For me, it's 100 on 10. And would I repurchase it? A million times yes. This is already my 7th or 8th jar, and I would completely recommend it for day to day. I think I never used to like Joy products earlier, but I don't know how these people came up with this formula, because this is one of their best products. Cannot complain. So that was a roundup of all the moisturizers I own and their honest reviews and ratings. I hope that you guys found it very helpful or of any value to you guys. Please comment down below your favorite products. I am always listening. I will always give you a review of that product if you need it, and I will always come up with better ideas of making new honest reviews again. Please do not forget to hit subscribe and like and comment, so that it also encourages me to make better content for you guys and make personalized content for you guys. So do not forget to hit subscribe. Bye bye.